Hello friends, today I will show you how we will configure the API Connect, and later I will show you how we can configure the API Connect with the data power. So for this installation I'll use the API Connect version. Let me show that one. I'll use 50812. Let me check where I kept it. Okay, so I'll use 50812. So first we'll open the VMware with the admin rights. So I'll write here VMware, and always open it if you are doing an installation or configuration, run it as an administrator. So okay, so let's open the file. Next. Okay, so we'll instead of 8 GB we'll use the 16 GB. So we'll increase from here. Okay, and it's a bridge, so we'll change it to net. Okay, and let's run this. So I have wrote here the commands. So for initial login we'll use the username as admin, and the password would be this one. Okay, so let's login here. Okay, we log in successfully. Now we'll run these commands. Okay, first is this one. We are not able to paste here, no problem. Net set it is 0. Mask is next command would be net set gateway static. Zero. Okay, and next command would be net set name server static. Then net set NTP static. And net set search none. Okay, net restart. It will take some time to restart. Okay, now net show all. Okay, system it takes some time to restart, so we'll check the status. System show status. So whenever you will run the command system status, it will show the system, network and runtime. System and network takes very less time to restart it, but runtime takes time. Runtime basically belongs to your GUI and your API Connect and CMC, so it takes some time. So meanwhile we'll do one thing. So once the status will be up, we'll able to see the GUI here. So we'll check here, the status is up of. For runtime it's still starting. So now we can see system up, network is also up, and runtime is also up. So let's see here if we can we'll get the UI here. So So we can see that we got the GUI. So we will pass the username as the admin and the password the same what we enter there. So here we'll accept all license terms and notice. Okay, here is my email. Okay, we will change the password also. Okay, here we can see we didn't add the gateway yet, so we can't see here the gateway services analytics their status here if whenever we'll add the data power here in the gateway, we'll able to see the data power, CPU, memory and disk space. We can check from here as well. And in my next video I'll explain all those things, means how we can configure API Connect with the data power, and how we'll create the organization, how we can add the members, and if we needed how we can add the TLS profiles. And here if we want to add some LDAP registries, so we can add here also. So in the setting we'll see how we can will configure the portal. Will integrate the portal with the API Connect. Here we have to do some settings for that. So in my next video, how I'll show you how we'll do all this configuration. So meanwhile, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it so that you'll get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you guys.